welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am 4 months away from hitting my 3 years for this no buy. 4 months. 4 months. Did I do it? Can I do it? I don't know. I think so. You guys know me. You know I'm gonna do it. I was gonna come in here and joke and say I broke my no buy, but you guys know I wouldn't do that. At least I would hope you guys would think that by now. I wouldn't do that. But I got a couple things I want to talk about, kind of in regards to the no buy. I do have a replacement, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Right down here, it's very exciting. I know you guys are going to be absolutely thrilled by my replacement. Got delivered today, and I was like, woohoo! And yeah, I have a birthday coming up in a few weeks, and I'm not sure what to put on my wish list. So I want your input here. I want some help. I should have done this as a live stream, but you know, scheduling and stuff like that, that was never going to happen. So let me show you my replacement. I got not one, but 2 witch hazels. I know, very exciting. This is the T.N. Dickinson's witch hazel. This is cruelty free. I could not find Thayer's at any of my stores, so I just ordered this online, and it was a 2-pack for like, I don't know, like $7 or something. And I thought, why not? I like witch hazel. It's natural. My skin responds really well to it, so I got them. I got 2 of them. That was my very, very exciting replacement buy. I know. It's it should have been replaced sooner, but I didn't have anything else that I needed to order online previously, and I knew that I could kind of sort of get away without it, but my skin was suffering. Got the breakouts a little bit from the hormones. You know how that goes, girls. You know how that goes. And I was like, my skin is missing tea tree, and it's missing my witch hazel, so I had to do it. All right, now on to the no buy portion. Still mulling over what I'm going to do when I hit the 3-year mark, because face it, you guys know I'm going to hit it. So I'm going to use this video not just as a no buy kind of thing, but I need you to help me with the wish list. Please help me. I've been on ColourPop. I've been putting stuff on a wish list. I've been taking stuff off the wish list. I've been putting stuff on. I've been taking stuff off. I want to try to not go crazy with my wish list because, like I've said in the past, my husband will tell me, you know, whatever you want, I'll get it for you. I have 3 children. They always like to each get me something, but I don't want it to be like 3 eye palettes. So, I mean, part of me would say, yeah, let them each get me an eyeshadow palette. That would be really awesome, but it wouldn't be the smartest thing for me to do. So, I love my colored eyeliners that I got for Christmas, and I do have a bunch of eyeliners on my wish list. Some of them that didn't come in that set. I kind of like the bright pink and red. There was a nice like berry maroon kind of color on there. I should have just brought up the website. That would have been the smart thing to do. But there are also some Super Shock shadows that I like, and some of the Jelly Much, Hallucinogenius. Like I remember that one. I don't know. Does anyone else have that? Because it's pretty. If you guys haven't seen it, and I pulled up the wrong website. I can't spell ColourPop apparently. Whatever. Yeah, Hallucinogenius it's kind of like a whitish Jelly Much shadow, and it has like a duochrome with blue and lavender. Let me tell you how gorgeous that is. It's out of stock quite frequently, but I want it. I do want it. All right, I'm on my wish list. I'm going to tell you what I have on it so far. Glow Sticks is the Super Shock shadow that I want, as well as Dare. I've been looking at Dare for years, and I've wanted that one, and I haven't gotten it. Glow Sticks, it's just like it sounds. It looks like one of those yellow glow sticks, and it is vibrant. And Hallucinogenius, which is the Jelly Mutt Shadow. I have the Venus liner, which is red. The Honey Dude liner, which is like kind of like a beige color, like a nude color. I have another Jelly Much on here, which is Ventura, which is out of stock, unfortunately. For eyeliners, I also have Get Paid, which is like a kind of like a gold copper color. It's closer to copper, I think. Boots, which is that fuchsia, hot pink kind of color, which is gorgeous. And Foxes in the Jelly Much. Oh my God, because it's gold. I love gold. And Charmer. Charmer's the other liner that I wanted. I do have palettes on here. Of course, I have the glitter, because, you know, glitter is life, and It's My Pleasure. I cannot get that one out of my mind. Does anyone else have It's My Pleasure? Because I want to know, is it really worth putting it on my wish list? Like, legit handing it to my husband and saying, this is something I truly want. Because I like it. It's purples. You know I like my purples. I don't know. I don't want to go crazy. There are some reds, like the red palettes that are in here. I want to say, like, one was like a watermelon palette, and I don't remember what the other one was. I didn't put them on the wish list because I don't want to look at it and say, yeah, I have to get these eventually. I want feedback from you guys to tell me if it's worth it. I don't know. I don't know. And if I don't go this route for my birthday wish list, what other suggestions should I give my husband? Because he'll want to get me something, and he'll want to get me something for each of my 3 children. And I'm that type of person where I'm not a material person at all. I don't want a lot of things. I don't know. I'm not that person. So that's why it always came down to like perfumes and makeup or other beauty things. I don't know. I was reaching for my water and it wasn't there. I'm kind of sad. What's a girl to do? So anyway, let me know what you guys think as far as the wish list, because like I said, my birthday's 3.5 weeks away, something like that. And I don't know. I'm going to have to tell him something, because I go through this every holiday. It doesn't matter if it's my birthday, if it is for our anniversary or Christmas. I go through this every single time there is a gift-giving holiday. I just don't know what to ask for, because I've just never been that person. Like, if I want or need something, I just go and buy it. That's the way I've always been. Pardon me. I don't expect other people to give me things, and I appreciate it when people do, but that is just not who I am. And my husband struggles sometimes because I can't give him suggestions, because I legit just can't think of things. You know, I will say, oh, I want this gadget for the kitchen. But then he's like, that's not a gift. That is something that you should just get because you want it in your kitchen. So I struggle. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm relying on you guys. There are so many people that watch me, and I appreciate you guys. But you guys are from all different walks of life, which I truly appreciate. And I know someone's going to come up with some suggestions that I can put on my list that are not going to derail me too much as far as like my inventory. I don't know. I'm kind of amped up right now. I'm trying to doing the woo-saw thing, but I just finished watching Miracle with my kids, and wow, that is a powerful movie. Anyone that is not super young, much like myself, and remembers the 70s, yeah, today is the 40th anniversary. Well, when I'm filming it, it's the 40th anniversary. When this goes up, it will be the day after the 40th anniversary. But goodness gracious, just watching the memories and seeing some of the things that I remember watching as a very, very young child. It's powerful. It's absolutely powerful. So I'm a little amped up from that, so I apologize if I seem a little jittery. It's because I just watched the U.S. hockey team win the gold medal again. Yeah, it was kind of cool. Yeah, I know it's a movie, but still brings back that memory, brings back that feeling, and it was awesome to watch it with my kids on the 40th anniversary. So, all right, I am totally off topic here. All right, back on track, Jessica. Pay attention. All right, so I showed you my very exciting repurchase replacement. I've talked about the wish list. I don't know what else. You guys know I'm gonna do this no buy thing. I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna spend my money and get anything. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna stay the course, stay the straight and narrow, whatever the saying is. I just need help with this wish list. So if you have any suggestions, yes, I would like them. And if it's a makeup suggestion, please make sure it is cruelty-free, since I am on my cruelty-free journey. Other than that, I think that's fair game. Please spam me in the comments with your suggestions, and then I'm going to sign off because I want to go get some water, and I'm going to go hang out with my husband for an hour or so before he has to go to sleep because he works really early in the morning. And yeah, I think that is about it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.